New Taylor Swift album came out at midnight. It's called Folklore, and in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the song 7. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy! So the verse is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. Next is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And then last is an E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus uses the same 3 chords that the verse uses, and it adds a 4th chord, which is an A major chord. So you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 3 chords, 2 of which we already learned. So the first chord is a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And then an E major chord, which we already learned. And a B major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the last part I want to show you is the second pre-chorus. It uses the same chords as the first pre-chorus, but it's a little bit shorter. It sounds like this. And that's it for 7. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.